Biomedical research produces new drugs and diagnostics for a variety of diseases that save and extend lives. Over the past 70 years, the average lifespan of the typical American individual has increased by more than 10 years to 79 years in 2019. Many diseases that in the past have been seen as death sentences, such as heart attacks and many forms of cancer, are now curable. As the pace of new inventions accelerate, there appears to be limitless potential for human biotechnology to conquer disease of all forms. However, biomedical research has become a very expensive endeavor that only multi-billion-dollar pharma companies can effectively work on. While later-stage clinical trials are necessarily expensive due to the cost of patient recruitment and care, even the earlier stages of translational biomedical research have become difficult for researchers at academic institutions and smaller startups to pursue. One of the key challenges for biomedical researchers is access to human biospecimen samples, such as blood. Biomedical researchers need biospecimen samples as research materials in order to look for drug targets, diagnostic biomarkers, and raw materials for cell therapies. But blood samples are expensive for researchers to access. The tube of blood that you give to the hospital lab for blood work can easily cost researchers more than $1,000 to purchase. Even a moderately sized study of a sample size of 50 could cost the researcher $50,000 or more. In contrast, the real costs of biospecimen collection, storage, and distribution could likely be kept under $50 per sample, if the layers of bureaucracy and paperwork could be optimized. Greenfield Bio's mission is to enable biomedical researchers through affordable access to biospecimen samples. What we do is collect blood and other biosamples from disease survivors and their family members, parcel it into many smaller vials, and then bank it in our freezers. When researchers request samples consistent with our fair use policy, we then ship them the samples, charging them a moderate fee to keep the lights on and freezers running. As an IRS 501c3 nonprofit public charity organization, we want to make a difference in the world and do not personally profit from any of the proceeds from the samples. We collaborate with numerous academic institutions so that Greenfield's resources are put to good use in biomedical research. We would love to have your help if you support Greenfield's mission. Your donations in the form of blood samples, volunteered time, or funds would all be highly appreciated. Please review our other videos to learn more, or feel free to reach out by email.